guys, welcome back to CB Shaves, and thanks for joining me for another unboxing. Wow, what a few days I've had. Me and Mrs. B have been away since we went away Wednesday. We came back early hours Friday morning, and this was waiting on the doorstep for me, and I've so much been looking forward to this. I know what's in it because it's the only thing I've ordered. So how are you doing? You okay? You having a good Saturday, good weekend so far? Good, I hope so. Right, I've got Draper to help me. So let's get this sliced open. I'm excited about this because I have waited, I think it's got to be a year, almost a year for these soaps to come into the UK. Oh, Shaveridge today is a nice strong cup of Yorkshire tea. Right, and this is from Shaving Time. Thanks, Dave. Right, nuggets. Yeah, let's go with that one first. Master Soap Creations, handcrafted in South Africa, and this one is deep blue. Fantastic labelling, guys. Labelling all the way around. Instructions and ingredients. Not quite centred, but they're there. You don't get that a lot. Yeah, this is an absolute... I've never smelt this or tried it, the scent, because it is a homage to Dunhill Desire Blue, which was launched in 2002. But the scent notes were right up my street. And I'm not going to go through them. I'll wait till the shave. Oh, there is an aquatic there, a bit of floral. There's a bit of musk there. Oh, there's the pour, guys. It smells amazing. Absolutely amazing. 6 ounce tub. These are very affordable soaps, guys, and they're excellent quality. I tried the Night in the Town that I borrowed off Paul H, and it's unbelievable. It's easy to work with, the base, the scent stays there. It's absolutely a fantastic soap. And I got a load of samples of Craig Will. How you doing, Craig? A very generous member of the community, and they were outstanding, and that's what put me onto these. But I didn't want to pay all that shipping because it was through the roof, and I knew they were coming over here to the UK. Now you can get them at Shaving Time. Fantastic. And for that one, I got the matching splash. Wow, can't wait to try that. The next one is Nordic Croco. Again, same labelling, outstanding labelling all the way around. On the bottom, instructions and ingredients. Now, this is a dupe on Cool Water by Davidoff. Classic scent. Oh, it's exactly like the real cologne. Oh, absolutely stunning, guys. 6 ounce pot. It's a lot of soap for your money. I didn't get the matching splash because I've got the original aftershave to go with that. This is the first one that was on my list, and I just had to get it because it's such a classic vintage barbershop scent. It's very cologne, very masculine, and it's vintage Lapidus. What a fantastic label. I'd buy it just for the label. Same again, all the way around. Superb. I love labelling like that. That's how it should be. Oh yeah. Very masculine. Scent strength on all these, I would put about a 6 out the puck. Maybe 6.5. That is a classic vintage barbershop scent. It's absolutely outstanding. So that's it, guys. So which one will be, as you can see, I need the shave. So let's get this. Which one's it gonna be, guys? Let me know in the comments which one you want me to use, because I don't mind. They're all fantastic soaps. So that's it, guys. That's it for now. I hope you have a fantastic weekend and have some great shaves. I'll see you on the next video, guys. Stay smooth and stay safe. Bye now.